Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can delete password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just click on the password that you wish to get rid of, in my case my Facebook one, and enter your current login method. Now tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!